It's snowing here and we're in a time crunch, and one of the things we wanted to do to the truck is get the back seat removed to give us some extra storage space. What I found is there's not any specific information online, at least that I could find on YouTube, about how to remove the back seat from an extended cab F-250, a 2018. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing that real quick here. Whenever you're dealing with seats or anything inside the car, usually it's a good idea to remove one of the battery terminals in case they're connected to the airbag system. So I went ahead and did that. And coming into the back of the truck here, you see I have the seats folded up. And this is the, I'm not exactly what kind of cab this is. It's very large doors and back seat. So I have the seat folded up, and I removed a bolt from here, and that undid the seat belt. And then I removed a bolt from here, and then I couldn't figure out how to get the seat folded down or anything else, so I started looking around, and I noticed that under there's a bolt there, a bolt there, and I believe a bolt on the other side of this here. And it looks like a bolt here as well. I think this might be the one. It's between the two seats, the main seat and the little jump seat. So I'm gonna take all those out and see if that gets the seats out. Well, that's a little disheartening. Apparently, to take out the back seat, you have to take out both back seats. So the little jump seat's gonna have to go, and I don't know if you can see this, but I'm getting kind of dumped on here, so I'll pick this up another day. So if you go up and behind the seat, there is a little thing here, and there's a lever on the side of it, and if you pull that lever up, then the seat will come away from the truck. And I think there might be another kind of clippy on this side. Maybe it's weighing on that bolt. I'm gonna try and pull the seat away. Okay, so the seat is away from the wall, but there's definitely some other point that it's mounting to, so I'm gonna find that. So there's that bolt right there in the middle, not the loose nut that you can see, but the one way in the back there. I don't know if I can get my hand in front of it. That one in the back, and that needs to come out too. Winter storm warning. Those are very big flakes. Hi, baby. Oh my God. I'm just gonna do one little panorama. It's crazy. This is the smaller jump seat side, and I was trying to find out how to get to that bolt right there, because from under the seat it was pretty difficult to get to. And I couldn't find any information online, but that's where this jack is supposed to go on a 2018 F-250. And to access it on your jump seat, you actually have this little lever here, and you pull that, and then the seat folds down. So after a bunch of time messing around, I discovered that, and then was able to get a breaker bar in there, and this is now the last bolt. I had to take off the seat belt bolt on this side as well, and the two side bolts, or bottom bolts, the one there and there. So now that both seats are unscrewed, should be able to remove both of them. Okay, I got the jump seat out. You just had to collapse it down, tilt it towards the front, and it came out very easily. And then when you're removing the larger seat, you need to remember that there's the center seat belt, and it's attached to this clip, which goes on that pole right there, and with the nuts undone, it just lifts right off. So you slide that through this little seat right here. You just pull it straight out, and then you can drape this over the back, and now the larger seat will come out. If your goal is just to remove the back seats, then you are done. Whereas we are looking to keep the jump seat, so I'm going to be putting that back in place.